Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use hash tool. Okay, so what is hash tool? Hash tool is a utility to calculate the hash of multiple files or a single file. A file hash is the signature of a file and is used in many applications. For example, checking the integrity of a download file. So let me show you where student can download the hash tool. I have this hash tool 1.2 on my desktop already, but I want to show you how to download it. You go to this website, okay? I'm going to provide this link in the Blackboard so student can go to this link and download it to your PC. Where is this? Here we go. I have the hash tools. Okay. So please download this. Okay. This is the web address. Once you download it, okay, before I mention that, this is basically a freeware tool to calculate MD5 or SHA encryption hashes on a single or multiple files. Okay. Once you download it and install it in your PC, you will find that this dialog box pop up once you open that. Okay. So let me show you how to use these tools. I'm going to open a new pad. I'm going to create this. Let me see. I'm going to create a file which is in the notepad. This is an example how to use a hash tool. Okay, this is the original file. I'm going to file and save as. I'm going to name this hash testing file. Okay, hash testing file. I'm going to save this on the desktop and I'm going to upload that. I'm going to upload this and then find the hash value of that. Select hash testing file. Okay, this time I'm going to use MD5 first. Okay, MD5. Let me see. Select a file and then I'm going to use MD5. Okay, here is my MD5. Notice that the digit is way much smaller than the SHA because SHA is more secure. Okay, they have a stronger encryption. So I'm gonna copy this, copy it, and then I'm gonna put it in my notepad here. Right? Let me delete this because I did some testing earlier. Here is the original hash value using MD5. Notice that 42 ... until 5A 4D. Okay, let's say that somebody modified the file. Okay, I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna open this, and let's say that the hackers modified this file. I just modify your file. Okay, and then I save this again. Okay, now let's check the hash value again. I'm going to select and hash testing file. Notice that it's different now. Now I'm going to put it in here, right? If I compare the original file and the one that is being hacked, notice that it is different, right? The hash value, the first one, the original file ending with 5A 4D, and the modified one is ending with 2166. Okay, so let's put it back again. Let's say that I'm going to delete this, put this into original file again, right? And let's double check with it, see if it's go back to the original. Okay. All right, here 5B, right? 5D 4B. I'm going to copy this. Okay. Now you will see that after I change it back, everything, oh, they give me a different one. I guess I change it, right? That means because the keystroke count. So let's put it to the original file. Okay, let me see here. Let me see this hash time value. Okay, so you need to do here. Let me see. Because if you accidentally put another keystroke, they will detect it as a change, right? Let me see hash value again, see if this is correct. Okay. Yeah, notice that I put that the original. This is the same of that. Okay, so the MD5 has value. If I put it back to the original, it will be the same. Okay. They are very sensitive. If I put like a keystroke here, everything's gonna be different like that, for example, right? So it has to be, you need to put that to the original so the hash value will not change. All right. So that is how a student can use this hash tool to make sure that the file has not been tampered. All right. MD5 is not a strong encryption. For the lab, I want students to test using SHA-256. Okay. Of course, SHA-512 is way much stronger. Okay. So in this video, I show you using MD5 hash type, so student can try to experiment using this tool. This tool using SHA-256. Okay. Let me explain a little bit theory about that. Okay. So where to download? I just show you the link here, right? The purpose of this hash tool is to check the download or generating hash value for the file. Okay, to check the integrity. So, for example, when someone downloads something from the internet, they can check whether the file is corrupt or no. Okay. Normally, when students download a program, they can check the hash value from the company that they provided. If the hash value is the same, that means everything looks good. Also, to check whether the data has not been tampered. Remember earlier I just showed you, if I change the file, the hash value will be changed, right? The fourth purpose can be used for digital forensic. Okay, so if someone work as a forensic investigator, they may use this tool to make sure that things has not been changed. Okay. I just explained the definition, and there are MD5 hashes and the SHA hashes, right? The MD5 is not cryptologically stronger. Basically, it's not as secure as the SHA. Okay, SHA is more cryptographically stronger and secure, especially with the version 256 and 512. You notice that the string is way much longer here. I didn't show you in this video, so students can do some experiments using these tools. Okay. I think that's about it that I want to mention about this program called hash tool. I hope that this video is informative and value to you, and thank you for watching.